guys, it's Tanya. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. What I have for you today is a wonderful fall decor haul from Michael's. I don't normally go in there, but I popped in there and was pleasantly surprised at all I found. They have 40% off fall. And then I have a few things that I popped in TJ Maxx to pick up. And sorry about the lighting. It is thundering and it's coming a nasty storm again. But I'd like to thank everyone for their prayers. Melvin is fine. And I survived. I'm still standing, praise God. So this is day 11. So I feel pretty secure that I am fine, okay? So let's hop into this fall decor haul for 2022. Oh my gosh, is all I can say, okay? Look what I found. This is metal, and I love that color wood that it has. And it just said hand-picked pumpkins, cider, hay rides, fresh pies. Look at those delicious pumpkins. They are so beautiful. I love that kind of like a burnt orange color. I just think this will look so good. I think it's going to go in there on my drink station. Hopefully everything goes well. Next week I want to start decorating, maybe next Friday for fall. So excited. And then we'll hop into some fall DIYs after that, okay? So like I said, I picked this up. This was $19.99, but 40% off. So I love this. And it's so dimensional. Look at that. How that stands out. I love it, okay? Then I saw this. Look at this. Doesn't this just look like it should have a bunch of apples in it or pumpkins, something like that? It's very deep. I think they had another size of this. This was $24, but at 40% off, it was very affordable. So I love fall. You all know that. It's just me wrapped up. If you want to know what I am, I'm fall, basically. I'm everything. I love everything about fall. The leaves, the cooler weather, the little bonfires, the pumpkins, the scent of pumpkin. S'mores, I love it all, okay? And I know many of you all do too, okay? Now look at this little pumpkin. I saw this. This was $16.99, but at 40% off, all their fall was 40% off. Look at this, how adorable. And it's pretty large, but I love it. This makes Michael's very affordable when they have their 40% off, okay? Then I saw this. They had this in a large and a small. And I'm thinking, I don't know about putting it on my dining room table. I wanted so much to get a long farmhouse table for that area. It's kind of awkward size, so it wouldn't take a real big one. I don't know. I'm still looking. They're just so expensive. And I've been looking on Facebook Marketplace. I feel like I have an Academy Award. Thank you, fall. But haven't found anything yet, okay? This was $22. It's really tiny, but look at this. This was even 40% off because this is their fall. Look at that carving. You could use this in your everyday decor. I may go back and get the little smaller one. They had one of those. I should have picked it up, but I didn't, okay? Then I saw these little pumpkins. Okay, this was $5.99, but 40% off. Look at this. It just looks like a sweater, a really pretty winter sweater. It's in a pick. You could take it off the pick if you wanted. Look at that stem. I'm obsessed. So I got the creamish white one. Then look at this beautiful orange one. Oh my gosh. And then this little one, I think it is adorable with the checks. I just love it, okay? So I picked that up. Then I saw these beads, okay? And I know I could make them very easily, but I don't, with my hands, I really didn't want to take time to try to string them. And these were $14.99, but you take 40% off of that, and that makes it extremely affordable. So I love this. Just look how it looks sort of whitewashed. Oh my gosh. See where I'm going? So earthy, cozy, and just traditional. I love it. Then I saw this. Look at this riser. This is the larger one. They had a smaller one, okay? This was $29.99. But like I've said repeatedly, 40% off. It was wonderful. Look at that. I just look how, I mean, I love just how it looks so earthy and natural. I mean, can you imagine this? And maybe this, and maybe some other things on here. I think it would make a beautiful presentation on my table if it works out like I'm planning, okay? So that'll give you a little sneak idea, okay? Then I picked up these two gorgeous, I picked two of these up. They're like little mini wreaths, and I love those colors with the burnt orange and the not quite so bright, you know? So like I said, I picked two of these up, and they have this little stuff in here like this, little dried, almost looks like something that would be dried. And these were $4.99. They were even 40% off. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I may try to put these on the table as well. Who knows? I don't know. Then I needed some more fall lights, because I think if you use the pretty fall lights, it gives it such a warm glow, okay? So this was Ashland. They were $7.99. This was also 40% off. So I love those warm glow, and I like it because these lights have the darker cord. So it just says mini. They are electric lights, and you get 50, okay? So I love that. Then I popped into TJ Maxx, okay? And this is just a standalone TJ Maxx, the one I went into. And I was like, oh, I want a candle. And I really wanted to find a pumpkin candle, but they had some, but I wasn't that crazy about their containers. And then I saw this one. Look at this on top. Is that not adorable? I love it. Looks so farmhouse, even French country. And this is the hazelnut, praline, and vanilla. It's nutty, creamy, and soft. Hand-poured scented candle. $12.99. And look, like I said, this is wood. I just love the presentation. Okay, it has 2 wicks. And it smells good. Now, I may try to find a pumpkin one. I have some pumpkin ones, but I may try to get one more. But I thought this would be beautiful just setting out. Plus, it smells good, okay? Then when I was in there, I was looking for some table mats. Now, I went, not table mats, place mats. I went into Kirkland's. And my Kirkland's has a lot of fall out, and it's pretty, just not what I was looking for. And so then I saw this House and Garden TJ Maxx, $12.99, and look at this beauty. Has the sunflowers, that big pumpkin, those gorgeous leaves, and it's all still in this burnt but traditional colors. I love it. So, and it's a set of 4, and they're just cream on the back. So you could really flip them over if you wanted. And, you know, this is on the front. But I love these when I saw them. You can see how large they are. I thought this on my wood table would be gorgeous. Now, if I only had my long farmhouse table, oh, what I could do. But I'll do something really good with this. But is that not beautiful? Just look at that. Oh, I love it. Okay, and then this is the last thing that I found, because TJ Maxx has so many pretty little tea towels, and when you check out, they always get me in that last section. So, you know, you can always use these thrown over a tray, or that little ladder that I got at Hobby Lobby. So these were like $9.99, and you got 4, okay? This is the first one. It has that really pretty burnt orange pumpkin and just says blessed. This is Farmhouse or French Country. Then we have this kind of like a waffle weave. And they feel really good quality, so I love that. And then this is just like it's a true white waffle weave. Now you get 5. Oh my gosh. Then you get another burnt orange in the waffle weave. So you get 2 whites, 2 burnt oranges, and then you get this check. I love that. Is that not beautiful? And I'm assuming it's really meant to go with this one. Or you can just separate them, which is what I think I'm going to do. And Maggie's having a nervous breakdown. So that's everything that I found for fall this week at my TJ Maxx. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you Friday for a wonderful fall Dollar Tree haul. They are getting so many high-end looking items. I'm just speechless, really. So let me get the baby, which will be really easy to get Maggie now. Come here, baby. She says hi. She says, I'm so nervous. Is it storming? Is Mr. Thunder here? She doesn't like Mr. Thunder. Say, Mama tells me, is he going boom boom and playing? Is Mr. Thunder playing? Yes. Say hi. Say hello. Say I love you. But say I'm very nervous right now. Yes. So until next time. Bye, guys.